We're going to draw an ellipse. For this method, you will need your scale, a straight edge, and a scrap piece of paper that has a straight edge. We'll draw an ellipse with a major axis of 4 inches and a minor axis of 2. So to start with, I will just mark out on my page my 4 inches for the major axis. So the major axis is the horizontal axis, and then the minor axis will intersect this. So I'll just mark out, I know it's 4 inches, so I'm just going to mark out center instead of finding it with the bisecting method. And then from here, 1 inch above, 1 inch below. And using my straight edge, I'll join my dots together. So this is the outermost, these points indicate the outermost points of our ellipse. So we can call the major axis AB and the minor axis CD. From here, use your scrap piece of paper. We'll call the center Q. Line up your scrap along the major axis, indicating A and Q. For clarity, you can write those down on your scrap piece of paper. Once you have them indicated, rotate your paper so that A lines up with C. And now mark Q on your scrap piece of paper. We'll call this new Q Q1, and the original Q we'll call Q2. For this method to work, Q1 always has to line up with the major axis, and Q2 with the minor axis. So line up the Q's on the major and minor axis, and then just indicate a dot on your original page. You can keep on rotating your scrap piece of paper as many times as you need. The more times you do this, the more accurate your line work will be. When you switch to the other side, just keep on rotating so that Q1 is still on the major axis and Q2 is on the minor axis. And then you can flip it upside down and do the same thing. And just keep on rotating that paper around your page. Once you feel you have enough dots, you then just have to join them together. And there's your ellipse.